Hello everyone. In the previous lecture I have started with the accountancy chapter number 1, introduction to partnership. In that we have seen definition of partnership and characteristics of partnership. Now today I start with the small sums of partnership. Now from the first chapter, full sums that will not come in the exam, only small sums are important for the board also. So today we learn small sums. Now let us see how to solve small sums. In the textbook on page number 30, question number 3, answer the following questions in brief. Now there are 11 small sums are given in this question number 3. All the 11 sums are very important for the board. Now let us start with the first sum. Now let us first of all read the first sum. A partner withdraws identical amount at the end of each month. Here in the sum it is given that a partner withdraws identical amount. Identical amount, that means same amount. Means every month a partner withdraws same amount at the end of each month from the firm. At the end of the year, total annual drawing is 12,000. Annual drawings, here annual drawings that is given, that is 12,000. That means here monthly drawing is not given. एनुअल मीन्स पूरे साल का टोटल अमाउंट 12,000 दे दिया है, मंथली वो कितना विड्रॉ करता है वो नहीं दिया है. 12% per annum interest is chargeable on drawings. 12% interest that is to be calculated on drawings determine the amount of interest on drawings of the year. Here we have to calculate interest on drawing of the year. Now whenever any kind of interest is to be calculated, at that time we apply one formula. Now I will show you how to solve this sum. In this sum, first of all, annual drawings that is given, total annual drawings that is 12,000 is given. But here we do not require annual amount, we require monthly amount. So how to calculate monthly amount? Monthly drawings is equals to 12,000 upon 12. In a year, 12 months, there are 12 months, so 12,000 divided by 12. So 1,000, that is monthly drawings. Now we calculate interest on drawings. For that we apply one formula. I is equals to PRN upon 100. P means principal amount, R means rate of interest, N means number of years or number of month. Here R means principal amount. We have to calculate interest on drawings on monthly drawings, that is on 1,000. Then rate of interest, that is 12% is given, and N, here partner withdraws annual drawings at the end of every month is given. So whenever in the sum it is given that at the end of the year, at that time we take 66 upon 12. So N is equals to 66 upon 12. I is equals to question mark. I means interest. Interest is equals to question mark. Now we put up all the values into the formula. Formula is PRN upon 100. So P means principal amount, that is 1,000. R means rate of interest, 12%, 12 upon 100. N means 66 upon 12. So here we get 660 rupees as interest on drawings. So this is the first sum of our partnership small sum.